How to switch Hulu plans or update payment. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just get started. For that, you can go ahead and access the Hulu website or application first and log in and look out for your account in the top right corner and go ahead and select the option called account from the given menu. After you do so, you will be taken to the section where you can manage your subscription and everything, your account, etc. So you can look out for your subscription and look out for the manage plan right beside your subscription and click on it. After you do so here, it will show you all of the plans available for Hulu. There are different kind of bundles available. You may look out for the one that you would like to switch up to or update it. So you can basically look out for the one. Right now we have this one current plan. You can switch up to another one by selecting the option of toggle option right beside the plan that you're trying to purchase or switch to. So just go ahead and turn it on and there it will give you a confirmation message. If you'd like to switch plans, you can continue to switch by clicking on the continue to switch option. And once that is done, you can just go ahead and submit the request and update your payment method. And that way you can switch Hulu plans and update payment on Hulu. So that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.